Welcome back. Hope you liked my success tip 1. If you haven't seen it yet, friends, kindly click on the link above to watch it. So here's tip 2. Find a fantastic coach or a mentor. Friends, many people don't believe when I say that success has got a shortcut. It really has. And that's possible with the help of a mentor. Do you know that 80% of CEOs polled said that they have had mentors and it allowed them to access their insider knowledge and power and fast track their careers? Do you know, my friends, with a great mentor, your decades will compress into days. Your mentor's years of experience and tons of learning will be yours in a couple of weeks, sometimes in just a couple of hours. That's why a mentor is called the catalyst for your success. You will learn 20 times faster with a mentor. With the right mentor, you will be able to take better decisions in life, set bigger goals, and stay on track. It's aptly said by Bill Gates that if you can find a mentor who believes in you, your life will change forever. Because understand, my friends, that a mentor will guide you to focus better, will inspire you to learn faster, will support you to recover quicker, will motivate you to achieve sooner, and will assist you to live happier. A mentor will help you to turn your wishes into visions and will show you how to create your future the way you want it to be. All successful people have one thing in common. They all have great coaches and mentors. Some of them actually have more than one. Friends, if you really want to achieve epic success in life, what you need is a coach, your own personal motivator. Coaches are not just for the top-ranked tennis players anymore, friends. And remember this, that every great achiever is inspired by a great coach. So that's success tip 2. Find a fantastic coach or a mentor and turn your wishes into visions. With your permission, I can be one of your virtual mentors, sending you valuable success tips every now and then. Kindly drop your comments to let me know your opinion. And by the way, it is that time of the year students are getting ready for examinations. So see you very soon, friends, with my exam tips. If you haven't subscribed yet, you may click the subscribe button and the bell button below this video so that you will never miss any of my future success tips and videos. Thank you for your time in watching this video. Feel free to share it with your friends and family. See you soon. Have a great week ahead. Thank you.